All the finer things in life have always caught my eye, like the time we sat and talked all night, drank red wine, traded back roads and for highways, and I've seen my share of lows, and I feel so damn connected to all these people I don't know. I've seen a bunch of this old world, and it's really all the same. All the faces I remember, but I ain't that good with names. I'm just a faded recollection of the man I thought I'd be. I'm just a piece of rotten fruit fell from my loving family tree, and now we all just stay inside, and it's getting hard to breathe. There ain't a cloud up in the sky, but it feels like rain to me. I've been away from home so long, it's just a memory in my mind, like a postcard to remind me of all the things I left behind. Yeah, I'd never stay that long, and I always travel light. Old words and duffel bags and lies. I'm gonna make myself a promise I ain't never gonna keep. I'm gonna walk down to the water and wash my troubles in the deep. I'm just a faded recollection of the man I thought I'd be. I'm just a piece of rotten fruit fell from my loving family tree, and now we all just stay inside, and it's getting hard to breathe. And a cloud up in the sky, and it feels like rain to me. I sit and think about all the things I didn't give a damn about back then. I miss my family and I miss the days at Grandma's when we'd sing. I miss the snow sometimes, and I wonder what it'd be like if I stayed. I don't regret a single song I ever sung, but all the same, I guess it's me I'm trying to blame.